As a highly sensitive person, you see things differently. See every centimeter, feel every spot of the bleached color on the wall. The reflection of the sun enlightens the minimalistic pattern of the skin folds on your fingers, which make your thoughts fly. It's magic. Breathe. Release. And take in all the good that you feel, so you will be free by opening your wings. Just breathe. Yourself. People need to work things out on their own before coming together, spreading their ideas, and make the work complete by bringing all of their pieces together. You need to have your own puzzle piece ready before bringing other pieces into your life to make the picture whole. To make the world whole, your own puzzle piece, through yourself. Just breathe.
Люди на їх не охотяться зараз.
Ну да.